Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to CSA Pakistan or Concepts of Science Academy Pakistan. And I am your research tutor, Mr. Muhammad Ahsanul Haq. And today we are here for another topic that how can we download a research paper. In this lecture, we will discuss about the different tricks and methods that how can we download a free or a paid research paper free of cost. So here I am on Google Scholar and I will search here. A keyword diabetes. So in the search engine different paper will be shown here. Here you can see that some papers are in html google.com or html format, some are present in pdf format. So if you will click a paper in pdf format, you can download it directly like it. Okay, you can download it directly. While in some papers just like this, some papers are those paper will be downloaded free of cost, which are given in free activation mode, but some papers are given in format that we you will have to pay for those paper to download. Suppose that I have opened an other paper. So in the interface you can see that here is given a pdf form, view pdf, or here you can see that different other papers are given and it's written that purchase pdf. You can see here purchase pdf, purchase pdf. Suppose that I want to open its pdf form. Here they have given the purchase pdf. Some papers are given in free of cost format. You will simply click here pdf and paper will be downloaded. But if a paper is given with some cost, you will have to purchase the paper. So don't worry, we can open this paper free of cost. All right. So here purchase paper. So I want to download this paper. So I will click in the Google and I will search Sci Hub. Sci Hub, open the very first website. So here it's given that enter your URL number, means the link of paper, PMID number or DOI number. All right. So here is the every paper have DOI number or PMID number. All right. So I will copy the DOI number. I copied it and I will paste it here. Control V, and I will now click on the open. So here my paper will be opened. So here I can download this paper from here. All right. So this was a paid paper and I downloaded it free of cost. Here we will try it with another method from the link of this paper. Here it's the link of this paper. I will uh, copy it and I will paste this link here in the search tab of Sci-Hub, and then while I will click on open. So again I can download this paper. So in this way we can download paid papers very easily free of cost. So it was a very simple method that how can you download a research paper by using Google Scholar and by using Sci-Hub. So it's very easy for you to download any paid book or any paid research paper or review article from Google Scholar and any other website. So you can download it and now you can read your research article. It was all about today's topic, that how can we download a research paper. But I want to tell you some other things when we are searching about the different articles on Google Scholar. So on the interface you can see that here is given the time period. I have clicked the paper from any time. If I click here since 2021, Google Scholar will give me the research paper published in 2021. All right. So here I can download this paper, any of these paper. Suppose that this one. So here I can easily download it by using its DOI number or by using its URL number. All right. So all right. Back to the previous page. A custom range can also be selected. Suppose that I want to search paper from 2015 to 2021. So in this here I can see that I have got the papers of previous 6 years from 2015 to 2021. So in this form, I can select different range of years or time period, and I can download the paper of my choice. So it was all about today lecture, and hope so it was helpful for you. And then don't forget to subscribe CSA Pakistan to learn more about research. So keep following, subscribe it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.